Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you something fun to try. Typically I have never had this at home before, so this is the first time I'm doing it. I didn't even do like a trial run or anything like that. So typically I would be wearing my glasses, but I have the window open for better natural light, but all you can see is the window. So yeah, there's that. So anyways, I've only had these twice before in my life, once at a restaurant and once at the fair. And the fair was my first time having them, and it was amazing. The other time I had them at a restaurant was also amazing, but they served them all fancy and everything. And so anyways, I'm going to do the deep fried Oreos, an easy way to do it, and I think anybody could do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the ingredients. And it really is super simple, and if I would have known it was this simple, I would have done this years ago. And it's probably been a very long time since I've had deep fried Oreos. I'm only going to make a couple, and then at the request of someone who watched me make something last time, I will actually give it a try. It might be good, it might not be good, but I'll give you my honest opinion. And I saw this on Instagram, so let's look at our ingredients. So these are basically the ingredients that you will need. You will also need oil, but I already put my oil in the pan to be heated up, ready to go. You're going to need some, just add water pancake mix. You're going to need a cup for dry measuring ingredients. Then you're going to need 2/3 cup of water, or whatever the box says. My box says that I need 2/3 cup of water, so that's what I have. So if you get a just add water pancake mix, just follow what the box says on the back, and mine is, I'm just going to do the 6 to 7 pancakes. And then of course you need Oreos. I have this for fishing out the Oreos, and then this to mix up the batter. And then over here on the stove I have my oil warming up, getting ready to go for the actual dunking of the Oreos. So let's go back over here. Okay guys, so we have our bowl here, probably too big, but you know, you work with what you got. Then you're going to want to get a cup of your powder. So just so you can see what I'm doing, I'm so not a professional. You're going to hear me knocking stuff around. Just so you can see what I'm doing. Just filling it up like normal. Don't pack it down or anything like that. And then we're just going to dump it in there. I hope you can see it well. And then you're going to take 2/3 cup of water, and you're going to pour it in there. And then you are going to take the mixer, or the whisk that I have is a little big. So you're just going to take this and you're going to mix it. And you're just going to mix it like regular pancake batter. And I can smell the oil cooking, or not cooking, but you know what I mean. I can smell the oil warming up. You just want to make sure that there's no lumps. We're going to take out 3 Oreos here. And you'll see little bits and pieces from the Oreo come away from it like this, and you can go ahead and let it fry, and then take it out of the oil with your strainer. So as you can see, it's already golden brown, and then we'll just flip it over. And I don't have a deep fryer. I don't have fancy things like that, or not necessarily fancy things. Where's my focus? There we go. But you just need somewhere deep enough to have enough oil. So we're just going to put it over there. We're going to do one more. Definitely keep a rag nearby, because you're going to get goop all over your fingers. So you're just going to dunk it. I'm holding it on the sides. And if you're going to make very many, you're definitely going to want to strain these extra bits out. We'll let this one cook just a little bit longer. And there we go. Now let's taste these guys. Okay guys, so that was really simple and quick to make. Here they are. They look like deep fried Oreos to me. Now let's see if the pancake batter actually transfers, you know, like the same type of taste. So anyways, I'm trying to focus in on it, but this is what it looks like. So let's take a taste. Oh my God. This is perfect. You can see that the cream there is gooey. The pancake batter doesn't taste like pancake batter at all. It tastes like deep fried dough. So that is definitely a win. It took me about 5 minutes to make these two. Now places I've been, they've sprinkled Oreo, or they've sprinkled powdered sugar on top, or even put chocolate syrup. It's perfect just the way it is. So anyways, if you want to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up button, and of course you can subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. So stay safe out there, guys. Stay healthy and stay kind to one another. Bye guys.